Well, we got another recovery out at Midway, and we're meeting the customer right now to get the keys.
He's got the keys. He's the one that did it.
Keys. I was driving up, and the road went super narrow, so I figured I'd back out, and I just kind of slid off the hill a little bit into some trees.
It's always a fun experience, isn't it?
Oh, yep.
The first time's fun. The next 20 times not as fun.
It gets old.
That's always a little fun. Okay, well, we're gonna grab some keys from these guys, and are you guys coming up with us?
Yeah, we'll take you up there.
Sweet. Then
there's the road that he is on. I don't want to go all the way down to where the Jeep is again, because that was a nightmare to try and back this thing out of there and find a place to turn around. But yeah, we'll take you up there, and there's a little kind of parking area right before the road he's stuck on, so we can.
Then we'll go take a look at it.
Yeah. Okay, are you gonna ride with him then?
Yeah.
Sweet. Sounds good. We'll just follow you up there then and make a plan.
Alrighty. Try and keep up.
Should be a nice fun one. This Jeep is slid into a tree, so
Stop.
that's always fun.
That's all.
Well, we'll show a little bit of the terrain, and then I'll put you guys in my pocket because no one wants to sit here and listen to us talk. So
That tree right there.
That's block it off that tree.
That double tree.
Yeah. And then get it back up. I might even turn it around right there if we cut that little dead one out.
What happened?
They just started sliding over, and when it started pushing against the tree, they didn't want to go anymore. Put it in 4 low, lock the hubs in so it doesn't pull this as much.
I think we could have somebody on the brakes if you don't want to worry about it. Do you want me to lock it in, or?
We're not going to need it until we get way up here in these gulch. 4-wheel drive. So if somebody's holding the brakes, then
Yeah.
it's perfectly fine.
Let's go take a quick, oh, grab me the keys. Why don't you take your winch and hook around this and break this off?
Okay.
And then I think the Jeep, we can just back right into here and turn it around. And then we can turn you around right up there.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go up the trail just a little bit and take a look.
Okay.
Because it's not very far till the other road. This is where that Suburban was. Yeah, Dad was right.
Almost got the front wheels on the ground.
Same road that Suburban went down. Suburban made it further though. A lot further. So, Suburban guy, if you're watching this, you don't have to feel alone. Pretty sure those are pieces of the step from that Suburban. So, I'll clean them up, take them out with us.
Dragging the Land Cruiser. Now that's far enough out of the way. I think most of that are still really in there. We're going to be going to the trees, those double trees up there, and then straight over and hook underneath to the frame with the bridle so we can pull the whole Jeep sideways. Always use tree savers. Even with synthetic lines, tree savers protect the trees better. Log didn't pull out all the way. It was dragging my Land Cruiser down.
Really?
It's still rooted in pretty good. It's out of the way now, but
Pieces to the step from that Suburban.
I was gonna say it's a step from something.
It is.
Yeah, from the Suburban.
It is the same trail. I went right down to where it meets up with the road.
Well, that makes sense.
I think I can just go to these sliders then.
Are they secured pretty good to the frame? Nice.
Actual sliders, they're not welded to the frame, but they're secured pretty good. We don't need a lot of pressure.
No, it's a light.
We're just pulling it off the... All right, you got a soft shackle?
Yeah.
What smells like poop over here?
I don't know.
Probably poop.
There's a fresh dookie right there.
Oh, it's probably winter.
That looks like a human dookie.
Okay, I'm gonna hop in it. And actually, what do you guys want to just hold the brakes so this doesn't slide? Okay, get you come back about here. It's still touching. It's relieving the pressure. There we go, it's off. Turn to the left and go forward. Yeah, I'm backing off now. What? Should be able to pull. I backed off the winch. Should be able to pull forward and be all the way on. Yeah, you're all the way on the trail, front and rear. Yeah. Let's see if we can get her turned around. Okay, you can come back now. Okay, hold it there. Good. Okay, stop. I'll have to turn right and pull forward a few feet. This is in the way. We wouldn't be able to.
We would have acted forward.
That's good. Crank it the other way and come back. That's good. Come back forward. I think we'll be good. Because the next time the rear end will be that way, it should be. That's good. Okay, let's get this spooled in and the Land Cruiser out of the way. I think you're good.
So we're doing an update on this set power fridge. Let me move it sideways a little bit so you guys can see. So I've got it in the Land Cruiser and it's been plugged in. So I don't know if you can see. You can't see it on the video. So you can pick the temperatures. You can pick the temperatures for each side. So you got a slightly smaller, which is this one. And then you got a little bit bigger one, which is that one. And this fridge is actually pretty cool. When we were driving it around up there, it actually froze water. Like room temperature water we put in the freezer, and I put it down to 5 degrees and it froze the water. The other side we had a bunch of drinks in and some food and stuff for lunch, and put it at 32 like a normal fridge would be, or 35, and it was great the whole time. But here's one thing that I actually thought was really, really cool. This has been sitting plugged in just like that since Sunday. This truck has not run since Monday afternoon. Today's Thursday, so that's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 4 days. This has been sitting with a fridge plugged into the battery. Let's see how much battery it uses. This isn't a great battery to begin with. Fired right up. I can't believe that. After 4 days of sitting with a fridge plugged in, it actually started. So the low voltage mode on the fridge is not draining the battery, and that is awesome. So yeah, so far this Set Power fridge, pretty freaking cool. Okay, where do you want to do it? I think you should put your rear tire just on the other side of that stump.
Like I said, well, just past a little bit, there's more slope.
There's just less room on the downside.
There's a lot of room over here, though.
Okay, go ahead. Okay, start cranking. There you go. Hold up. Right there. Turn less. There you go. Now crank it. What was that?
I don't know who to call the bottom things.
Oh. Yeah, it's definitely us. Good. Good. No, the greatest thing is if they're out doing this stuff, if you guys are out doing this stuff, you're not out doing stupid things.
Yeah, exactly. Did you look at my truck? That was...
Hey, were you hurt?
Nope.
Okay, then it doesn't matter, right? It's just things.
My ego was.
It's all right. You know how many times all right, so that's Ben's Land Cruiser, right? You know how many times I've rolled his Land Cruiser?
Really?
Yeah.
How many?
I've rolled each of his once. He's rolled each of his twice. I've rolled mine 4 or 5 times. Like, that doesn't matter.
I've rolled 2 Jeeps.
We're okay. The fun was had and the video was made. Okay?
That's what matters.
That's all that matters.
The content.
Most of the time, the rolls weren't on video.
Well,
Yeah,
we
that's
work
true.
on that for next time.
We were just out.
Your
having
best
fun,
one was on
screwing
video.
around.
Somebody got it on a dash cam.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go put this on top. You guys could pile in. There's seats in there, there's seats in here. I'll go ahead and drive this up to where your truck is, and then we're done. And to whoever decided to defecate on the trail here, screw you. Some guy took a crap by your front tire.
Oh, yeah, sorry about that.
No, is that you? A little bit there, but looks like no damage. Just got to clean those scuffs off. So how'd it go?
It went really well. I thought it went really smooth. I'm really happy no damage was done.
Okay, well, we're on to our next one, and these guys are off for an adventure, so thanks for watching.